Hello everybody! Once again, this is Batang Malabon 4D. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. Nabulol yata ako doon. Welcome to another unboxing. But again, it's not inside the box. By the way, this is my Cobra Kai shirt. The one I did unboxing. Okay. Nagugulo lang, mamadali kasi I have work. Okay, hindi na natin patagalin to. And hindi siya naka-vacuum seal ngayon. Parang tape lang siyang ganun. You know, kilala niyo kung sino to, baligtad. Okay, it's a legit from anime shop. I-stock ko na siya. Again, the size is XL. Thank you sa nag-sponsor. Okay. So, isa sa aking mga tinuturuan na martial arts. Ano ko na siya. Yan, ang laki.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
this is not a dream.
this is Mazinger Z. Mga old, unang-unang mga anime, Japanese anime, mga, what do you call that, robot. But I like this guy. Before Grandizer, siya muna. Okay. And sumunod na yung Voltes 5. Yan, magkabatch sila ni Voltes 5 halos. Sa 1970s, ano to, anime na talaga sinubaybayan ko noon every Friday. Magkasunod sila. Ito muna, then, yung pinaka main event, si Voltes 5. But I like also this guy. Okay. Hindi siya masyadong, maraming power. So, Mazinger Z, it's a Japanese logo there. Alright, thank you for joining my unboxing ulit. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. Malabon 4D. See you.